Here we go. 4 more events to go. Final elimination. And then we got event 14, event 15, and event 16. The final elimination starts first. You know how final elimination works. This time, the last marble to exit the funnels, they will be eliminated, while the winner will go straight to the final. So it'll be a multiple heat for this edition of final elimination. 26 points. That gap from Bernie Flair's Bananas is coming down. Everyone will be chasing for that glory now. Well, the teams at the bottom, they would love to start doing something before it's too late. Like Night Fighters, Asteroids, Lavenders, and Sea Occidentals. And you see there, some of the Asteroid fans have left after the season they have just had. But you see, our first heat, they will include the Lavenders, Night Fighters, Trash Bags, Shamrockers, Asteroids, Green Mowers, Honeybees, and Team of Fury. You saw all the members' names. And we are up. Asteroids lead the way. That is amazing for them. That's why now Night Fighters are in dead last. Not where they want to be. Anyone else? Nope, so everyone's here. Who'll be eliminated first? And it will be... Oh, it's Green Mowers! So who'll be safe in the first heat? And it will be Team Amphibian. That's Salamander waiting for them. And they have just won and moved straight to the finals. Green Mowers will get either 16th or 15th depending on what Heats 2's their last time was. The Green Mowers will be getting 15th or 16th in this event. Here we go. Heat 2. I mean round 2. Or Heat 2. We are off. Shamrockers will lead the way. And it looks like Trash Bags are in their last right now. There they are, they're Shamrockers. But who'll get eliminated? It's a tight battle right now. And it looks like Trash Bags. But it ends up being the Lavenders. And the Lavenders, they're in 15th in the standings, not going to help them. And the Night Fighters, who almost got eliminated last round, straight to the finals. They really needed that, didn't they? So now Lavenders will have to get 14th or 13th, depending on what, the other team gets. Here we go. Asteroids are really pulling through here. Honeybees lead the way. And Trash Bags again are in dead last. But this time they are fighting with the Asteroids, so it's probably going to be one of them going home. So far it looks like Asteroids. They're down there. And they're out! Asteroids are out! And the Shamrockers will advance to the finals. That is good for them. They're up there in the tops. And now, 2 marbles are left. So everyone looks like Honeybees are eliminated. Whoa, Trash Bags! We are watching them. The Honeybees have now entered the fray, but I think Trash Bags are a little bit too late. And there they go! Trash Bags are eliminated, so Honeybees will be the last team going to the finals. What an upset for the Trash Bags. They almost made it, but they'll be going home. And you see? There you go. That's Heat 1. Here comes he too. Sea Occidentals, Blazers, Wojo Rollers, Burning Flares, Tree Trunks, Bananas, Typals, and Red Powders. Lots of championship contenders in here. So they will all be fighting to stay away. And Wojo Rollers will stand there last. Burning Flares were up there. Wojo Rollers are in there last right now. Oh, Sea Occidentals are also down there as well. That's not good for them. Look at this. Anyone could be eliminated right now. Oh my god, it's the Tide Pools! They are eliminated! Who'll be safe? And it looks like it will be the Tree Trunks who will just first safe. Oh, the Tide Pool! That is not going to help them in the championship standings. Because they are one of the teams that are, well, up there. They're on the podium in third. But this might have just hurt them. Put in contention. Round 2 now. Watch out for that little marble. Let's see what the neutrals will lead the way. That little marble. Very dangerous. And he's in dead last one now. I mean, that would be amazing if Bananas get eliminated here, which means those top contenders don't need to worry for this event. Oh, but Wojo Rollers hit them! And that's who's going to be eliminated. The Wojo Rollers are out. Who'll be safe? And it's going to be Seahorse Occidentals. After firing their coach, the reserve has been coaching them. And they go straight to the finals. They needed that. But now, third round. Yeah, watch out for that little marble. He's dangerous. If the Bananas get to the finals, Burning Flares will need to start challenging. Oh, but Bananas are getting hit a lot. And that's going to help them a lot. Oh, they are still spinning up there. Oh, they will surely advance here as the Red Powders are out. Oh, Bananas can just cruise to a victory here because the Bananas have advanced. And that is not good for the Burning Flares. Which means they will have to work even harder now. That is not good. The Burning Flares will need to advance here to keep this championship fight alive. Oh, but they're not so far. They're in dead last. Burning Flares, they want to do anything they can in their power to advance here. Because if they get eliminated, it's over, basically. But so far, they are keeping it wide. Okay, they have moved on. Though it's still alive. Burning Flares will move to the finals. So it's good that the championship fight is still alive. As you see, there you go. 9th through 16th. Tide Pools dead last. That is not helping them at all. Astro is in 12th. That probably just eliminated their championship contentions. Now, the finals. Here we go. Burning Flares, Sea Occidentals, Tree Trunks, Shamrocks, Bananas, Night Fighters, Honeybees, and Team Amphibian. It'll be a 1-by-1 knockout from now on. So if you place last, that is it. You are over. As Sea Occidentals takes the lead. As Shamrocks will take the basement right now. It looks like Night Fighters are going to be taking 8th today. Will they? Yes, they will. The Night Fighters will place 8th in this event. Now, I don't know if that's going to eliminate them. It might. We don't know yet. But they'll probably have to work extra hard. I doubt they'll be winning the 3rd championship. And this will be the 3rd season where a team has won 2 championships back to back, but nothing ever since. So the fight here, and Team Amphibian goes out. Oh, they get stuck! What a sneaky move by them. So who will get eliminated? And it will be Team Amphibian. They thought they had it, but they weren't lucky enough. And once again, Bananas have survived. So they will at least get 12 points in this event now, which will be 188 for the team. Who we are now? I see honeybees in there. See? Oh no, shamwalkers! Okay, they have got going again, so they're not out. But who will be out? Oh, is that the honeybees? It might be the honeybees. And it will be the honeybees. Who gets 6? And the shamwalkers can just cruise to the victory here. Shamwalkers. That's the captain as well. So, great storyline for him. 5 teams left. They are the Shamwalkers, Bananas, Brain Flares, Tree Trunks, and Seahorse and Lentils. 5th place will go to, so far, Seahorse and Lentils. Oh, they get hit! Oh wait, maybe it won't be them. Oh, this is a type. Oh, this is a type battle. Oh, Tree Trunks. Seahorse and Lentils just survived. Wow. Tree Trunks will get 5th, and Seahorse and Lentils will survive another day. Here we go. Who'll get 4th? Who just missed the podium? And once more, Seahorse and Lentils are in their last. And Shamwalkers are in their last. Can anyone save them? Oh, this is going to be a close battle. No. Shamwalkers will miss the podium. And Bananas once again have captured a podium. At least the Seahorse and Lentils are going away with the podium. But what medal or what colour would it be? Oh, they were a bit slow there, so that might help them a little bit. That's Brain Flares and Bananas. Look at the bronze. And it'll be the Burning Flares. They will capture the bronze. Bananas will get 20 points. And I will unfortunately have to say the Night Fighters will not be winning another championship this season. But who get the gold? It's either the championship leader or the basement team. And so far, it's the championship leader who will not be getting the gold. But anything could happen like that. Who goes to the final first? And it's Bananas. Hold on. Can the Seahorse and Lentils upset the Bananas? Oh no. Oh wait. Can they do it? And yes, they can! The Seahorse Sentinels have captured the gold. The basement team of the standings has just dethroned the championship leader. And the Seahorse Sentinels have finally captured the gold. They have finally climbed to the top. It has been over 3 seasons ever since they have captured a gold medal. And they have finally did it. With no coach involved. Get to the gold. That's how you do it. Bananas will capture the silver. Bernie Flair's bronze. And you can see the overall standings now. That is just brilliant. You never thought that team would come in first. But that is just amazing. But anyway, we'll see you for the 14th event. And let's see if the Seahorse Sentinels can continue this march.